Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. This is our Fall Crafts 2019 YouTube Hop. Our Fall Crafts YouTube Hop is sponsored by Art Institute Glitter and Renea Bouquets. And for my giveaway, I'm offering the Spellbinders Card Kit of the month, and as you can see, you'll be able to make some absolutely beautiful cards with it. Be sure to check the entire hop lineup and giveaway rules in the area underneath this video. Enjoy the hop! So I'm super excited to show you the projects that I created for this fall, I wanted to say Halloween, Fall Crafts YouTube Hop, and I cited along with Halloween. I haven't done Halloween. I skipped Halloween last year, and this year we're going all out for Halloween, so I thought that maybe I could show you some different treat boxes or treat box ideas that you can do in your very own craft room with the dies that you already have, with the items that you already have. And so I'm going to begin with milk cartons. Now, for me, milk cartons treat boxes are the best, some of the best treat boxes out there because I just simply love them. They are so super easy to make, whether or not you have a die for your milk carton treat box. You can whip these up in no time. Now, if you do not happen to have a die for a treat box, I do have a DIY on how you can make one of these from scratch, and I will go ahead and link you to that in the area underneath this video as well. And I also have a couple of milk carton treat boxes that I highly recommend, and I will go ahead and list those down there as well. So the paper that I use is just some old paper that I bought like maybe 2 years ago. I don't remember exactly when. I bought a paper pad for Michael's when it was like 80% off, so I grabbed it because you never know. And I finally got to work with it, and I'm so excited about that. So I just basically did some die cuts like bows and whatnot. Let me go ahead and turn this way so that you can see better. And basically, to dress up my treat boxes, all I did was just use items from my stash. These cute bows that I made. This is from a new acquired die. I will try to link you to everything that you see here in the area underneath this video. And so anyways, I just simply took things from Happy Mail, like this is from Happy Mail, and things that I just acquired throughout the years to make my treat boxes. And so let me go ahead and show you the carrier. And I also have a tutorial for a carrier that does not require a die, and I will link you to it. And this carrier was made specifically for the two boxes that I put on it, which is this one and I believe this one. Let me go ahead and put them in the correct way. There we go. And see how perfectly the carrier fits. And so yeah, I really love the way this came out. And see, like little stickers. Well, they're not stickers. I had to glue these down. These were from Walmart, okay, when everything went on clearance right after the holiday, and I may have paid like 15 cents or something like that for an entire bag of creepy crawlies. And so yeah, I just love the way these came out. And let me go ahead and put these to the side, and see, you could do something as simple as just adding a sticker to it, you know, and just making it look pretty. And for closing the some of these milk cartons, I just went ahead and added some embellishments to one of these clothespins that you get real cheap at Tuesday Morning, and that is it. And it was a lot of fun creating these, and I think it makes for a really great gift idea to give to a friend for Halloween. And if you have been following my channel for a while, you know that I recently posted this project. This is part of a Spellbinders Die of the Month kit, and you'll find that link down there below as well. So that's with the milk cartons. Let me show you other ideas that I came up with as far as the Halloween treat boxes. I have these purses. I decided to leave these purses as is. They are foldable. You can fold them like so, and you can bring this down here. Let me show you the back of the purse. Okay, see, you can string something right along there and fold this. There is a score line there, but I decided to leave these purses as is because I wanted to put a lot of candy in there. I'll be sending these to a friend, and so these are just basically embellish them with things that you have. Once again, this piece right here came in a pack that I bought at Walmart after the Halloween holiday, and oh my gosh, it was so super cheap. It was like cents, mere cents, that I paid for a full bag of these. And once again, this is from a Heartfelt Creations die, and I have Spellbinders dies that made these flourishes. And this is a flower that I made using a Graphic 45 die, and over here we have it from a Tim Holtz die, and this is just a sticker bow that I bought from Hobby Lobby way back when. And once again, this is from the same paper pad that I bought for like 80 or 90% off at Michael's after Halloween. So I have these two, and I'm so super excited because all of these boxes that you see here are going to be sent to a friend, and she is going to be so surprised when she opens up her box. So I can't wait to send it to her. More Halloween treat boxes ideas. We have these two French fry boxes that I went ahead and I adorned them with die cuts using Heartfelt Creations. See, it's the same Heartfelt Creations die right along here, just to like dress them up for a little bit. And so let me get this out of the way. And once again, using items from my stash like these, doing some flourishes over here, and this these French fry boxes came from a die that was gifted to me by one of my BFFs, Beady Beady Bomb Bomb. Thank you so very much, Elizabeth. She is such a sweet angel. And so she gifted me this French Spellbinders French fry box. And so I am so loving it because I've been able to create so many treat boxes with it, not just for Halloween, but also for Christmas and so forth. Any type of holiday, I just love the Spellbinders dies because they are so amazing. And let's see, I have more to show you. This is using the Sizzix die. It is just a simple pillow box die, and they're so super easy to make. And I think that this paper was so elegant from the collection that it didn't really need much of anything. So I just used a die cut using a Graphics 45 die, and I believe this flower over here came from Prima. I got this idea from this lady out of Norway. She used to be a Graphic 45's designer. She no longer makes videos. She no longer updates her blog. And so her name is Anna, and I believe her channel was Zenero 1 or Zenero 01, and she was one of the very first people that I subbed to because she came out with so many amazing Graphic 45 tutorials and ideas. And look, I made this just using a Spellbinders bow die, and I just love this idea. And last but not least, I have a Halloween card that I made, and it was an super easy to make card, and it's just a little sentiment there. It is a 5x5 approximately, and just a simple card to go with all of the goodies that I've made. And it's going to be filled with hard candies and chocolate, and hopefully they won't melt on the way there. And once again, I used Spellbinders dies to make this, and this right over here, and this right here is from a Graphics 45 die along with a Prima flower. So I do have some pictures at the end of this video. Please hop on over to my the next person on the lineup, which I believe is Robin Pitts. She is Sir Chauncey Rococo. No, wait, Sir Chauncey Coco or Sir Chauncey Rococo. She has this really fancy name on her channel. But anywho, go ahead and hop on over to her. Leave her some love. We appreciate thumbs up. And remember, check the rules in the description area below so that you can be entered for our giveaway. Let me know if you like my Halloween treat box ideas. Let me know if you're planning on doing Halloween, and let me know how you're enjoying this hop. I thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you once again real soon, okay? Bye!